Watch the sides, keep the beam steady.
We're almost at the access point. Stay alert.
Hold position on the left. We have movement at 40 meters.
Roger. Illuminating the area now.
Careful with that cage, watch the mud. Set it down right here, next to the others. Get the pole.
Stay alert, team. It's close.
Wait, I see movement.
Keep the light steady. Don't move.
Wait. Look out, it's coming right for us. Get back, get back, get back. Don't drop the cage. Drop the cage. Almost there, hang on.
Watch the perimeter, it might still be out there.
Pull up, eyes sharp.
Hold the line, he's aggressive.
I'm bringing the cage now.
Guide him in, keep the pressure on the boards.
Watch the head, keep the pressure steady.
Okay, moving the barrier now.
Clear the door. She's locked in, we got her.
All right, let's move out.
Be extremely careful, everyone. Quietly, to the left.
Watch the trench. Move in, cut him off now. Watch out, it's huge.
Get the poles, quickly. Pin it down now.
Careful, everyone, don't let it get away. Watch the tail, get the door shut. Locking it now. Keep those lights moving on the perimeter.
Keep moving, we're almost there.
Watch the roots up ahead.
Push it, push!
Watch your feet, it's heavy.
Almost there, get the bar.
Keep watching the tree line.
Did you see that? Watch the ramp, angle it left. Clear on the right. Keep it coming.
Watch the ramp, it's slick. Get that cage secured. Okay, bringing the forklift around now. All right, guiding him in slowly. Looks good on this side. Secure the lock. Watch the rail on the left.
Got it. Rolling forward now.
Easy now, watch the head. Keep it steady on your side.
Got it. Moving the tail, clear the crate.
Clear. Deploy the barrier.
Weight confirmed. Data aligned.
Verified. Logging confirmation. The transformation stage is complete.
The sensors are engaging on the automated line now.
Inside Snake Factory, thick Python processing begins.
The hatch is clear.
Confirmed. Sending it through to testing now.
Check the stability on the third row.
Solid. Ready for transport. Keep it steady. Watch the turn. Got it. Angling left now. Watch the bumper. Little higher, then straight back.
Got it, right there.
Make sure those latches are secure before you hit the road. We need this shipment out by noon.